Hello, my name is Anne, and welcome to what is this? It's not a podcast. It's not a floss tube. It's not really a quilty fun. It's an unboxing. I literally could not wait to show you this. Honest to God, I couldn't wait. I got home from Nova Scotia about 2 hours ago. We had a fabulous 2-week vacation. I didn't record anything. And part of me was like, I should record something. This is too good to not show. I should record this. And part of me was like, no, Anne, you're on vacation. We're taking 2 weeks off. That's what we said. So I kind of stuck to my word, but I really missed you. I'm not kidding. I really missed you. So I wanted to do something a little different going forward. But I needed this to go up first. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go back to the old way that I used to do it, where Mondays was all about the knitting and the crochet, so the yarny goodness. Wednesdays is going to be all about the floss tube, the cross stitch. And Fridays will be all about the quilty fun, the sewing and the quilting. So that's what we're going to go back to. But before I got going, I really needed to show you what I got in the mail when I got back, because it was so important I show you this. I am so excited. I couldn't wait to open it. I had 3 parcels waiting for me when I got home. And you'll see them on Wednesday and on Friday. So that should give you a clue. And I got lots to talk to you about on Monday about the holiday and what I got up to while I was away, crafty wise. But I really had to show you this today because this is so exciting. I have to make sure I get it the right way. Just a minute now. Got to get it the right way. I got this. What, you've never heard of them? What? No, to be perfectly honest with you, I'd never heard of them either till my friend told me about them. And I had to look it up. And I looked it up and I was like, yeah, I was just like that. I really was just like that. And I asked them if I could have a box. And they said, yeah. And they sent me this and it came. And I have been dying to open it and show you because I am dying to start it. Are you excited as me? Okay, I'm going to put you down and so you can see what's in here. And we're going to open this together for the first time. Are you ready? Oh, look at this lovely paper. Oh, it's kind of glued down. So what is the Historical Sampler Company? Well, it is a cross-stitch company that makes templates. And this is one of their monthly subscription boxes. I'll leave all the details below. And you'll be able to see. Oh, look. Oh my goodness, look at that. We get to make that. That is so exciting because August, I went to Nova Scotia. We went to the beach. We saw the crabs, the starfish, the fish. Oh, I love the birds. Oh, this is everything gorgeous. I love it. I love it. And there's even a little robin. And so I think, yeah, the inside are the instructions. This says it's a British seaside scene of a beach hut together with other seaside favorites. It's the second in the series of our month of the year designs. Oh, that's interesting. Very interesting. And then, of course, you have the chart that I'm not going to show you. So that is there. Oh, a classic everyday fair trade tea bag. Well, I've never heard of that tea. Oh, what is it? Does it say? Oh, it's just a black tea. Oh, I'm going to have that tonight. I love when you get a cup of tea. Oh my gosh, look at everything that's in here. A frame to put our finished piece in. So perfect. I don't have to go rooting around looking for something now. This is a nice sturdy frame. Holy moly. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's all I can say about that. What is this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's a little bucket with a little, oh, that is so cute. Shoeless Joe. The Shoeless Joe range of artisan products are handmade and hand-painted by skilled craftspeople. We endeavor to be environmentally friendly. I love that. Oh my goodness. I might use that to put my little bits of floss in or something. Oh my. It's a bar of rock. Oh, it's a bar of, do you know what? I have not had a bar of rock since I was a blinking kid. No, happy, what does that say? Happy, who can read that? I can't read that. Happy sewing? Can you guys read what that says? Happy stitching? I think it says happy stitching. Oh gosh, I'm eating that too. And then in here, what is this? Oh, look, it's all the yarn, the fabric. It's a 14 count Aida, or is that 16 count? I feel like that might be 16 count. And our threads, and there's the needle. And I love the little bag with love. Wow. Let me see if that is that a 16 count Aida? Does it tell us? Black and white color. Delicious sticker rock, clipper tea bag. I can't tell, but it kind of looks like it might be 16. Oh, it is. Worked on 16 count Swigart Aida. Oh, I love that. And then that's just all the pretty wrapping. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. I am so excited about that. I really am. Guess what I'm starting tonight? Was that not the best gift to come home to? Oh, I am starting that tonight. Now, so as I was telling you, Mondays will be all about the knitting. Now, tomorrow we have to go get Toby. So I don't know what time the video will go up tomorrow, but the rest of them usually I put up at 9 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. But I haven't even recorded the one yet for Monday, so I don't know if it'll go up later because we have to go get Toby. He's at my brother-in-law's, and it's a 2-hour drive to his house. Just saying. But I might even chat in the car to you. Anyway, Wednesday, I figured what might be fun is why don't you come along with me on the journey of stitching that. I was going to start it tonight, but I think it would be more fun if we do it together. So Wednesday, I'm going to show you how I would start my cross stitch, what I do to the fabric around the edge, how I find my center, whether I will start from the center and work my way out, or whether I count up, how I'm going to look at it with you and decide how I'm going to stitch it, and then show you how I start and then I'll just cross stitch it, and then each Wednesday we'll catch up and see how far I've got. But the first one will be more exciting. Plus, I also got all the Peter Rabbit magazines, so we'll have a look at them on Wednesday. And then on Friday will be Quilty Fun, and I do have something from Cotton Cuts. So we're going to look at that together and maybe start something there. There's going to be so much fun. And each of my videos will be shorter, so you're not going to have to sit there for an hour or more watching me go on about knitting, and then about cross stitch, and then about quilting. They'll have their own separate days again, and you can decide what you want to watch, which of course you're going to want to watch them all, because you know me, I like to gab and we have lots to talk about while I'm showing you stuff, so you're going to want to watch them all anyway. And I've got new fabric I got while I was out in Nova Scotia, so I want to show you that on Friday as well. So yeah, there's lots to catch up on. So I'm going to let this go now. I'm going to try and get this up tonight for you, and then we'll start Monday with the new schedule. I hope you like it. Hope you have fun. And I'll tell you more about this too in the link below. Okay, bye.